Hello everyone and welcome back to Beae tutorial series, and today I will be showing you how you can use Breadcrumb Element. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Head over to your Element tab and you will see an element named Breadcrumb. Drag and drop it into your page and your Breadcrumb element is ready to use. On right side of your screen, you will see some editing tools. First tool is Separator. It actually separates your link and your text. Hit on this pen tool and you can change your separator. You can use space, dot or comma. By default it's set to dot, but I will use a custom separator. Click icon link and you can use any icon which will be displayed as a separator between your link and your text. You can also upload the separator from your PC, but I will use system provided. Let's suppose I want to use this Amazon icon. I will click on it and then select. You can see the Amazon separator has been added. Next feature is alignment. Click on this pen tool and you can center align, left align or right align your link. I will use center alignment. In the style tab, you will see some further editing tools. In typography, you will be able to select any font of your text you want. Click on this select font button and you can upload any font you want or use Google Fonts. But I will use a font that I have already uploaded. You can see the font has been changed. Click this select button to make the selection saved. You can also increase and decrease the size of your font. I will use 50. You can also add weight to your font. I will use bolder. You can also transform your font, capitalize it, uppercase it, lowercase it or none. I will use uppercase. You can see all my font has been set to uppercase. You can also add styles to your font. I will add italic. Next feature is to add decorations. You can use underline, overline, line through. I will be using underline. You can see all my font has been underlined. Next, you can adjust the line height of your font. By moving this slider, your line height will be changed. Letter spacing is a very good option here to make your text pop out. To reset any value, just click on this reset value icon and your values will be reset. You can also change the text color from here. Click on this icon and you can choose any color you want. I will choose the orange color for my text. To change the link color, click on this icon and you can change the link color. I will use dark purple for my link text. Next option is link color hover. This feature will change the color of your link when you are hovering over it. To change the link color, click on this icon and you can change the color to any of your choice. I will change it to red. Now you will notice when I hover over my link, the color is changed to red. You can also change the settings of your separator like color. Click on this icon and you can change color of your separator to any of your likings. I would like to change it to blue color. You can see the color of my separator has been changed. You can also add spacing to your separator from top, bottom, left or right. Let's add spacing of 25 above the separator and you can see the spacing of 25 pixels has been added above the separator. You can click this link icon which will link all the sides of your separator and make them equally distributed. To reset any value, click this reset icon and your values will be reset. And that's how you can add breadcrumbs in your video and make it look more beautiful. If you like our videos, please consider subscribing and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.